guys, I'm reporting to you live from Ohio, and the state has just passed through the state is experiencing strong snow conditions. Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Taz. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an oldie, you already know me. Welcome back. That's my nephew in the background. So guys, I hope you're following along with my content. I didn't want my Christmas weekend videos to be too long and in one video, so I've decided to give you guys two videos, you know, showcasing my entire weekend, so you guys will get the road trip content with the Christmas Day content as one, and then I'll vlog today, which is Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, as one video. And yeah, that would be the two different videos that cover the span of the weekend. Also guys, I wanted to say that if you notice that the quality of the content shifts throughout the videos, that's because I might need to use my phone and not my camera, so it won't be as crisp and clear maybe, but it'll still be good. And that's also because I forgot my SD card. Sadly, brought my charger and everything, so you know, trying to make it as a YouTuber. I brought my card and my charger and everything, but then I forgot my SD card, my extra card. So I don't want this one to be too full, and then I won't get to vlog. Why it's not open? I won't get to vlog. I won't have any space leave to vlog tomorrow, which is actually Christmas Day. I'm gonna wash one a look like that. What is this? The cleanser. Not this one. Want some moisturizer. Anyways, let's look for it. So guys, today's vlog, I'm not sure what today will entail. My face looks a little fat. I'm still in my headscarf, everything. I'm not sure what today's vlog will entail exactly, but because I don't want to go on the road, I don't want to go outside, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what outside is looking like. It's definitely going to be a white Christmas. Outside is white. I tried to capture it in, I think, a previous clip in my previous video, the road trip one, when I was trying to show you guys outside and when we got to the house, but I wasn't sure how to adjust the quality of my camera to show you guys the actual snow, because I'm sure all under the dusty is just white, a white screen. So today I'm going to show you, just wanted to walk around to show you guys outside, and whatever else the day entails, I'm not sure, but I'm going to take you guys along. I don't know why I'm happy, because inside the house is warm. It's like negative degrees inside the North Pole. I really don't want to go out there, but I shall. I'm gonna look so choke up like hunchback. Anyway, I don't want to keep you guys any longer. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with somebody. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers so your girl can be monetized. I'm monetized on other socials and platforms, but not YouTube as yet, because I know it will happen. So yeah, I put some moisturizer. I'm going to layer up and we're gonna go show you guys outside a little bit, and then we shall see what else the day entails. We shall see. It's so freaking cold. This is so dark. Let's go. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at babe's car. Oh, it's still snowing, you know. Or just a little flurries. Look at babe's car. Look at babe's car. It is a whole mess. Yeah, babe's car is like so done for. Oh shoot! No sir. Only if you subscribe to my content, me I do this phone now. I had to take my glasses off because oh my god, it just keep on a fog up. Cause me have all of this thing and I breathe and oh, me hope I see. Let me see if I need to adjust the lighting. No, this is crazy. And then I have on these thick ass gloves that I can't even oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm going back in. Subscribe to my content, please. This is crazy. I'm going back in. Why am I doing this to myself? I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys. This is a whole lake, yeah? Look at Armani's toy. Wait, what was that? Toy. I know y'all heard that. What was that? What was that? What creature lives in the snow? Oh, this was all a lake. Lake. That's all ice. Then my gloves are not even worth crap because my finger tip off freeze. Let me just be careful. Oh crap. Some of this board might be broken. And I'm here. Look at the back patio. It's all frozen. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoa! I almost slipped. Ah! The pipe is frozen. No. It's like negative degrees. And I'm out here. Alright, my ears are freeze off. This was all a lake. And I just never saw it, so I'm hoping I see what I'm going. Okay, let's go back in now. Let's go back in now. Hi guys, I'm reporting to you live from Ohio, and the state has just passed through the state is experiencing strong snow conditions. Anyways, yeah, my finger head is frozen. Bro, Zen, my finger. No. My hand is numb. My nose are run. Hi, Samira. She's looking at Auntie like this girl is crazy. You guys okay? Yes. My nose are run. Armani, can you get tissue in the bathroom for Auntie?
Yes, fast or slow?
Fast. Fast. Okay, I need to. Oh, my boots don't have. Oh my god. Yeah. Why did I go there? For a stupid vlogging? Or don't my vlogging stupid? Your car is, oh god, your poor little baby. You're gonna cry. Let's not even talk about her. I'll catch you guys back up maybe when we're having breakfast. And today's just gonna be, I guess, indoor content. Even if I go outdoors again, I doubt I'll be filming. My camera cold, everything cold. My finger head, my fingertips, oh god. Numb. 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 Look there. Let me hand. I feel like I aged by 10 years just by going outside. I'm not show off my ring, me just a joke. Oh, did I mention this is a cushion cut? Boy, I don't want life update video for now. Cause I asked you guys to help me choose a ring. You guys sent in your votes, but at the time I had chosen already. And me did tell them to say a cushion cut me take, right? The princess cut cute too. Me know me I see what people with the princess cut, and I'm just like, that cut is so cute and dainty. But anyways, are you coming on Auntie's vlog?
No, this.
Man, you're on Auntie's channel all the time. Such a cute boy. Okay, bye guys. Tell them to subscribe to Auntie's YouTube.
Subscribe to YouTube.
Hello again guys. So I'm sure you can hear from the sounding, the acoustic. I'm in the bathroom because it's very nice outside. My niece is doing whatever. My nephew is watching his cartoon in the other room right here. My husband is watching sports. My sister-in-law is cooking. My brother is on the road doing something, I don't know. But so if you hear any background noise, it's all my, hold on, it's all my family. Armani, Auntie's on the phone. Okay guys, so yes. So if you hear any background noise, that is why. And I'm on my phone, if you could tell. So I have a Shein haul. That's all. And this Shein haul is a little different because I really hope the audio isn't weird. But this Shein haul is a little different because these are all clothes that my brother has bought. I'm so sorry. That my brother has bought that he doesn't want or want anymore. So I'm just gonna go through it to see what I can take from it. If you know my brother big and tall, not fat. You know fat, he's just big. Like my brother is 6 foot something and him just and I'm not, as you can tell. I have a Miss World body. So anyways, it's gonna be fun to go through because he went on a little vacay the other day. I mean, I did buy some cute stuff. I'm not sure what has been left over, what he has left over, but we're going to see because this looks like it's cute. Already the color, boom. If anything, and I have to adjust anything, I will. But honestly, if it's going to be too much of a hassle for me, because I don't have no sewing machine or nothing, I'm really needle and thread for my best friend growing up, I'm just going to like donate it or leave it here and hopefully him go donate it soon. Because these are new stuff and I'm sure somebody out there would appreciate it. So I already have one on. It's this mesh type of shirt and I think it just looks so good with my little do-rag that I have going on. Who else come on the internet with a do-rag? I look Mr. Stevie, girl, I'm joking. The acoustic is weird in here. Okay, let's try that. No, we can't. My niece is loud. Oh, so yeah. I should put you guys up here, so. Well, how am I getting up here, so? Oh no. Okay guys, I was trying to see if I could move y'all, but this is the best we're going to do because I'm just really hiding to do this haul. Let's go really quickly. So I really love this. It's big. I wish my brother was like slim. You can't tell, you know, because this, I love the length. I love the length of it and I really like how it just, I just really like it because I had this on from last night, so it's not even like my plan it. I just like how it look over it. I just really like how it look over this. I'm wondering if I should take it as a bathing suit cover up. You know what I mean? because when it gets to that time, because most of these look like more warmer, look obviously more fit for warmer climates, because he did buy them for vacation, like I said, and he didn't get to wear everything, I assume. That's why there's a whole box here. What I think, my arm, I really like this. I'm not even going to lie, I really like this. Just so I might keep this on for a day, I don't know, or put it back. The next thing would be, this looks very, very similar. Yeah, the pattern is a bit different, but I guess the same idea. This is pretty too, and it kind of feels less stretchy. Okay, let's try. I think I like the black one more. Again, guys, the Shein haul is so different because these are all men's clothing. I think the Shein haul is so different and fun. Oh, sorry, my eye. I like the black one more, but the concept is the same. Damn. If I put on a bra and then kind of, should I slit here open? Okay. I think about summer. I don't know. We're gonna try another one. This is cute, but obviously not for me. This is big. Yo, I wish my brother was slim, because this, baby, if this was a smaller, extra small, wow, these are so nice. And this definitely goes with this. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I wish somebody would get these. These are too nice. But I don't want to take them and bring back to New Jersey. I just leave them here for them to donate it here. There's usually a donation bin right near that gym. But then I don't know. Oh, I need to show you guys this one. Hold on. This one, me love the print, me love everything, and I have an idea for this one. Mega show no one. Hold on. This one, I love the print. You see, long. If this was just smaller, because let me tell you the idea I have for this, right? The idea I have is that, yeah, the idea is, yeah, that me have an up on. So it's long, right? So I wish it was like just smaller, like less roomy. Damn, I'm cute. Ooh, hear me Nisa scream. I wish it was less roomy, so that then when it's not so cold, because I really like it like this. Damn. When it's not so cold, I would have it on with my thigh-high boots. Picture this, thigh-high boots. This, because my thigh-high boots are black. So then, and then a cute bag, and then either short or not, and then I kind of tuck it in like this, or I leave it like this. So it would be like, and I probably put a belt around it. So just less roomy, but the length is great. And obviously for when it starts getting warmer, but you're still, you know, I'm still like a little chilly, but not really. So skin can be out, but not too much. You know the vibe there? I love this print. If not, me just take it and sleep in there. Or I leave it so they can donate it. I don't know. I love this. I love this. The phone quality not so bad, right guys? Don't forget to subscribe to my content, guys. I'm really trying to get monetized on here. I just really love creating and this whole content creating thing. And it would be nice to be monetized on YouTube, because I love vlogging and I love my educational content. And when I bring Armani, take time, auntie's on the phone, and all this stuff. So just help your girl to get monetized. Watch out my things, then subscribe. But yeah, like, comment. I keep telling people the comments, and you can just leave a heart, a like a dot, a like a something, just any form of engagement, because the robot them way analyze the thing don't know what you're really saying. They block hate comments because they look for certain text and thing, and I can modify my YouTube to program it to know what to look out for. But as it relates to engagement, Just like put a emoji, a heart, a star, make engagement boost it so they know you see it on pages. You ever see recommended on your YouTube page and you say, why do I recommend this to me? Because they're going based off things you've watched prior, you know? Kind of figure out what you like and push more content in your face to keep you on YouTube longer, to help them to get more money. So that's how it works. So help your girl out. This looks very similar to what I had on previously. I guess my brother just didn't need two of it. What's the big difference? I don't know. Let's try something else. We're only down to 2 packages. This is another shirt. Yeah. I'm not even looking at these shirts because I'm not gonna know if I'm gonna look a flat bottom. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this. It's so soft. Bruv, I'm gonna have to start shopping in the Shein's men's section or Shein, wait name. Okay. Men's section and get my size. I love this. I thought I loved the okay, let's put this on. Even if the bottom not fit me, this I might keep this on today. I love this. Oh, this is big, but I love this. Yeah, this is big. This is for sure big. I love this. This is so soft. In a thick, if you say it'll go warm, but it's soft. So if you're going outside, no, you need to layer up with this in the winter. But if you're inside and you want to be cozy, this is it. But not for like outside. But yeah. I love this. I wouldn't even try on the pants because I just know they're going to be big. They're going to be soft too. But this is a waste of time. The length should be fine. I'm rather tall, like I said, but the width, it ain't it. But I love this. I love the color. Oh my god. Y'all know I love pink. So anything close to pink, I love this. I love this. Matching my nails. I love this. I love this. Damn. I love this.
Never choose to listen to old people these days about this.
So you being busy in the meantime, my camera coming out. Are you for stop talking? Okay, we cut that out. It was guys, I'm in the sweatshirt you saw. Look at it. Yo, it's never so big. I love it. Oh yeah, this is a better view. And I'm wearing 3 socks. 3 socks. Look on. Stop them.
Let's go back to some bread.
Butter some bread.
Yeah.
I had breakfast already with the kids. Now my husband and my brother gonna have breakfast. What you gonna eat? Butter some bread.
Not the skin of the middle.
Oh. Oh.
Come on, camera, where do you get the from?
Oh. Your bottle fell, Bam Bam. Oh.
Now look for me, you don't
Yes, I know. Thank you. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Auntie. Say thank you, Auntie. You're the best auntie in the world.
That together and cut it.
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Say thank you, Auntie. Jesus Christ. Yes, Armani. Armani, auntie can't pin up.
Ma la tassa sempre, ma mi ha tassuco.
Armani, me talk to some here and get jealous, you know? Why, God, you prove it to me every day. Say I want to put them if you have. Every day you prove it more and more. Thank you, Jesus, for the miracle and the gift of life. Every day God showed me a sign. Say I want pick him if you have. One. Just one.
That's a mouse so.
They can't go and eat the rest of food without the bread.
Come on, next task sweet.
Jesus!
Oh, too slow, man.
Someone tell me ensure so I best butter bread ever in their life.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna...
Imana say, yo, my wife driveway need to smooth. Back and forth. Watch ya. Yo. You tripping there, I almost jump. Roger gonna kill me. Watch ya. Yo, man contemplating life a while ago. He say, man, why am I do this, man?
We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators. We don't have earthquakes,
Hello, brother. You are working so hard. Oh gosh, I'm gonna cry. Oh gosh. Best brother in the world. Oh yeah, we have much. No, sir. I think we're moving to Florida next year. Everybody. No, sir. It's no making man cry. Your lovely dinner awaits you. Your finger numb, not true? Oh, so this tear, that's why. Good. Cardo, your jacket, what you say you want? You see something like this with the inside?
No,
But it's still good and warm. I like this. You love dress up jacket? You look behind and freeze off. Oh, wait. Wow. No, sir. It's not making man cry. The man knows I run. Samantha, the man don't have a fork to eat with. Why? No fork in the air. The house run out of fork. My nose I run. Wow, look at your breakfast.
Pass move in front of me. Pass move in front of me.
The people them want to see you. Yes, don't do that to auntie. Okay guys, back again. Hey, How are you enjoying the vlog so far? On this lovely Christmas Eve of 2022. Dilemma. I think my niece has pooped and nobody's here to change her while her dad's sleeping. And her mom and my husband are on the road. And in all my 29 years, I've never really officially changed a diaper by myself. The last time I attempted to change her a few months ago when I was here, my sister-in-law helped me out. Like, I never do it completely by myself, and that was my first time. And now, I just can't make she stay with the poop on her, obviously, right? By the way, I did my own nails. I mentioned that, right? But anyways, more important things are at hand, tasks. I'm not care about your fingernail. You see her right here? Are you ready to be on Auntie's vlog? Are you ready to be a star? You're a star, Shamira. Oh yeah, we started putting gifts under the Christmas tree. And that's how them gonna look chaka chaka. Them just throw them down, but they're gonna organize it maybe later. My nephew and I bake cupcakes. But I'm so tired. Honestly, I will leave it till tomorrow. I'm so tired. I just want to get some rest. I'm still jet lagged from driving here. Honestly, I just want some sleep. And raising these kids, it's a lot of work. I'm having one child. But anyways, who gonna help me change my niece? No, seriously. I have to change you. Cause your mom no look like she'll come back anytime soon. And I started smelling it. I have to change you, don't I?
Welcome to our learning farm. We have lots to show you. Shapes and colors, music new.
I have to change you. I can't let the poo-poo stay on, baby. I can't. Aww. Auntie, change me. Oh, look at my niece's lashes. Look down. Look down, Samsung. I'm not gonna see it. I have to change you, don't I? Don't I, pumpkin? Today drained me. Auntie has to change you. Auntie has to change you. Ooh, you got poop. Auntie, oh God, it's stuck. Okay, I need some gloves and a clothespin. I'm gonna change it. One tequila. Samira, that's some adult type of you're on right there. Ain't no baby. Shit's like that. Anyways, bye. Oh, her mom's calling. She's outside. Me call me about food. Me don't want nobody call me after me wash the plate and pack up those. Okay guys, they're back. Her mom came to change her. And they brought gifts and they were hiding them from me. What about to me? Gifts them. So why you put gifts in their car? Samantha, not their Macy's he picking them.
I'm still playing.
Oh.
And some of them are wrapped.
Oh, so you wrap them tonight?
For Christmas. To get 3 coconut milk for Christmas. This is my gift. 3 Maggie coconut milk powder to make caramel porridge tomorrow for her.
Samantha, you have to look at the box as a whole. I mean, it come in a one box, we have other things.
So for the Haskell in the box, that's for
biscuit and Shirley biscuit and so. Oh gosh, man.
Each already.
My knees.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help.
Stop. Toss. Stop.
Hi guys, checking back in. I'm about to have dinner and I think I'll just wrap up this video. It should be long enough for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy my content. If I made you smile, laugh, or just, you know, enjoy this wholesome content, don't forget to subscribe and share. And if you're watching cartoon in the background, I hope it's not too loud. And Merry Christmas, just happy holidays in general. I wish everyone a prosperous new year. If you're a subscriber, somebody who comments, a viewer, I just want the best for everyone in my community and the community I have on YouTube for me, not just my content creating platforms in general. Thank you guys for supporting me. I want to be more consistent for 2023. I just wish you guys prosperity, myself, good health, strength, wealth, and daily food. We praise our thy name, O Lord. Amen. Bye guys.